Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Steam/Epic installation, an updated GPU driver, and DirectX. Once done, install Rfactor 2 into a dedicated folder with 30 GB free so mods and caches won't scatter. You should run the launcher once to let it download core files and create configuration files. Make sure to grant permission if Windows UAC prompts. Otherwise, the game can't write settings. This early setup prevents permission errors and speeds later mod and controller detection. You now configure core settings to match hardware. Open Rfactor 2, let it generate player JSON, then close the game and edit resolution and display mode for exact values. Next, launch and use the graphics presets as a baseline. Test fixed frame rate when using motion rigs or VR, otherwise try unlocked for higher refresh. Once visuals are set, calibrate your wheel and pedals in the controls menu, save a profile. These steps reduce stuttering, ensure accurate steering input, and prevent control drift. You finish by installing mods and optional tools. Prefer Content Manager for easy mod management, shaders, and server browsing. Enable packages in the game UI and restart Rfactor 2. Once ready, join an offline practice to confirm physics and setup. If something breaks, verify file integrity through Steam, Reset Player, JSON to default, or relaunch using DX11 or DX9 to isolate renderer issues. One key tip: rename your Shattercache folder to force rebuild. That often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.